In today's video, we are going to explore Dalai Lama inspirational quotes on happiness. A disciplined mind leads to happiness, and an undisciplined mind leads to suffering. All suffering is caused by ignorance. People inflict pain on others in the selfish pursuit of their own happiness or satisfaction. Be happy to change your goals, but never change your values. Even when we have physical hardships, we can be very happy. Everyone wants a happy life without difficulties or suffering. We create many of the problems we face. No one intentionally creates problems, but we tend to be slaves to powerful emotions like anger, hatred, and attachment that are based on misconceived projections about people and things. We need to find ways of reducing these emotions by eliminating the ignorance that underlies them and applying opposing forces. Happiness doesn't always come from a pursuit. Sometimes it comes when we least expect it. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. I believe compassion to be one of the few things we can practice that will bring immediate and long-term happiness to our lives. I'm not talking about the short-term gratification of pleasures like sex, drugs, or gambling, though I'm not knocking them, but something that will bring true and lasting happiness. The kind that sticks. I believe the very purpose of our life is to seek happiness. Whether one believes in religion or not, whether one believes in that religion or this religion, we are all seeking something better in life. So, I think, the very motion of our life is towards happiness. I try to treat whoever I meet as an old friend. This gives me a genuine feeling of happiness. It is the practice of compassion. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. Inner peace is the key. If you have inner peace, the external problems do not affect your deep sense of peace and tranquility. Without this inner peace, no matter how comfortable your life is materially, you may still be worried, disturbed, or unhappy because of circumstances. Instead of wondering why this is happening to you, consider why this is happening to you. Irrespective of whether we are believers or agnostics, whether we believe in God or karma, moral ethics is a code which everyone is able to pursue. It is very important to generate a good attitude, a good heart, as much as possible. From this, happiness in both the short term and the long term for both yourself and others will come. More compassionate mind, more sense of concern for others' well-being, is source of happiness. Never give up. No matter what is happening, no matter what is going on around you, never give up. No matter how educated or wealthy you are, if you don't have peace of mind, you won't be happy. Only the development of compassion and understanding for others can bring us the tranquility and happiness we all seek. People take different roads seeking fulfillment and happiness. Just because they're not on your road does not mean they are lost. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. The ultimate source of happiness is not money and power, but warm-heartedness. The ultimate source of my mental happiness is my peace of mind. Nothing can destroy this except my own anger. True happiness comes from having a sense of inner peace and contentment, which in turn must be achieved by cultivating altruism, love and compassion, and by eliminating anger, selfishness, and greed. We all have to live together, so we might as well live together happily. We need to learn how to want what we have, not to have what we want, in order to get steady and stable happiness. When we feel love and kindness toward others, it not only makes others feel loved and cared for, but it helps us also to develop inner happiness and peace. Whether one is rich or poor, educated or illiterate, religious or non-believing, man or woman, black, white, or brown, we are all the same. Physically, emotionally, and mentally, we are all equal. We all share basic needs for food, shelter, safety, and love. We all aspire to happiness, and we all shun suffering. Each of us has hopes, worries, fears, and dreams. Each of us wants the best for our family and loved ones. We all experience pain when we suffer loss, and joy when we achieve what we seek. On this fundamental level, religion, ethnicity, culture, and language make no difference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.